Hafner, and today we're going to learn about how to make a notebook. So, how do you make a notebook? So, what's a notebook first? It's like tabs. So, we have a tab 1, we have a tab 2, and then a tab 3. So, it's easy. Let's start. Import Thinker as TK. Now, to create a notebook, I need to do from Thinker import TTK. So, window equals to tk dot tk. This is easy for you. Window dot title. And say hi to my brother. He got an injury, so that's why we can't show it. Okay, so like that's why. I don't know, but he got it like injury, had it on his face, so we can't show his face because no one can see it. So, well, we have to do notebook. So, all we can do now is window. What's window? I meant to say window. And by the way, my brother has been recording videos. Like, he's done really great. He made one today about how to make division, okay? And he's been getting some views, which is great. Good job, Amber. So then we do 640 x 430. Then what we do is window the config bg equals silver. Oh yeah, you can guys say hi to my brother, okay? Yeah, he was just coloring his face, so he wiped it off. So say hi, Invert. Say hi.
Hi.
And say hi to him, guys.
See, look, my color's gone.
Okay, go. Silver. After that, what we do is just create the notebook. So notebook TTK dot, because we have to use TTK because TK is not only going to work. Notebook window, okay? After doing that, all we have to do is make the tabs, like tab. Oh, what is tab? Tab 1 equals tk dot frame. Do you see this? Nope. What am I doing? Then same thing for tab 2. The same thing. Notebook. Okay. So I forgot to take out the doubles quotes, right? So that's what we do. And tab 1 is supposed to be tab 2. And yeah, say hi to my brother. I mean, you guys said hi to him already. I bet so. So all we have to do now is this, okay? So all we have to do now is notebook dot add tab 1 comma text is tab 1. Same thing, copy this again. Okay. Okay, so for tab 2, now all we have to do is pack this thing. Now we can create labels for this. So, like, what we do, label 1 dot, right? Hello world. Okay. Hello tab 1. Hello, guys. We'll say label 1.pack. Label 2 equals to tk dot label tab 2 comma text equals, what am I doing? Text equals to my brother's name. Enter. If we run the code. So here, tab 1, it says, hello guys. This is how a notebook looks like. Here it says, oh, what did we do? Well, we didn't pack this label. Forgot to. Now it should work. So hello guys is on our first tab. This is how a notebook looks, by the way. Now tab 2, enter, okay? So that's how you make a notebook. So thank everyone for listening about how to make a notebook. Feel free if you have any questions. I hope you like it, and bye.